In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WooCommerce shortcodes in WordPress. If you've been looking to enhance the functionality of your WordPress site, particularly if you're running an online store, shortcodes offer a powerful and flexible solution. So, let's dive into how you can effectively utilize these nifty tools. First, it's important to understand what shortcodes are. Shortcodes in WordPress allow you to perform complex functions with a simple piece of code, usually just a line or two. With WooCommerce, shortcodes become incredibly useful, as they allow you to easily insert products, product categories, cart and checkout pages, and many other functionalities into your posts and pages. Let's start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. This is your control hub, where you can manage and customize various aspects of your site. Now, you'll want to navigate to the page or post where you intend to add the shortcode. You can do this by going to the editor for the page or post. Once you're in the editor, decide where you want to place your shortcode. Perhaps you want to display a list of products or maybe a single product. For a list of products, you can use the products shortcode. It's as simple as typing products right into the text editor where you want the products to appear. This will display a basic list of all your products. If you'd like to refine which products show up, you can add parameters. For example, products limit for columns 2 order by date order desk will show a grid of 4 products, displayed 2 per row, sorted by the latest additions. Adjust these parameters to meet your specific needs. Note that each parameter is placed within the same square brackets, separated by spaces. If you're interested in displaying a specific product, you can use the product ID shortcode. Replace the quotation marks with the actual ID of the product you want. You can find the product ID by navigating to your products list in the dashboard and hovering over the desired product. The ID will appear, usually towards the bottom of your screen. Shortcodes can also help with managing checkouts and cart functionality. To display your cart, use the WooCommerce cart shortcode. Similarly, for a checkout page, you'll use WooCommerce checkout. For these essential pages, it's often best to create separate, dedicated pages using these shortcodes for clarity and better user experience. Always remember to preview your page before publishing it. This step ensures that your shortcodes function correctly, display properly on your site, and meet your design expectations. To sum it up, WooCommerce shortcodes provide a versatile way to manage your online store's presentation and functionality in WordPress. Whether you aim to showcase a single product, a full category, or manage key shopping cart features, shortcodes make these tasks simpler and more streamlined. Happy customizing, and I look forward to seeing how you enhance your site using these tools.